Heel. Heel. So notice the leash is loose. I'm not pulling, dragging. The leash is actually disengaged. Right before I turn, I'm going to say heel, and then afterwards, pivot. Again, heel, afterwards, pivot. So heel is your turn signal. Make sure you say it before you pivot. Just like when you're driving, you put on your turn signal just to give everyone else a heads up in preparation for you to turn. Same thing here. The reason why I point that out is that it's super common for people to kind of choreograph the two simultaneously, meaning the word heel will actually come during the turn, right? So just like a car, you wouldn't heel. Good. Just like a turn signal in a car, you don't flip on your turn signal as you're mid-turn. You do it before. So that's a quick tip. And then heel really just means stay at my heel, right? So literally your collar is right at my heel. So anytime you say heel, you're just, hey, girlfriend, heads up, we're pivoting. Heel. Good. All right. Good job. Whoa. Good. Good job. Good jobs.